Today we're going to try out one of the best AI video tools that can help you make a passive income. It's called Virbo, a game changer for creators and professionals alike. I will also share a few ways you can start to monetize your channel to start earning money as soon as possible. So let's dive in and start with this video.
Hey guys, I'm Audrey, a content creator from Wondershare Virbo. Let me show you these two videos and you tell me which one is AI generated. Enhance your marketing impact with effortlessly generated AI spokesperson videos from your text inputs using Wondershare Virbo. Okay, it might sound unbelievable, but both videos are created using my AI avatar. You can make your own by following the instructions we offered to achieve the same high fidelity as mine.
This is an example of how realistic your videos from Virbo can turn out. So there are a lot of great tools here, and this is what the interface looks like. I will cover the most important tools in this short video. So on the menu to the left, we have templates, which is one of the most used features in Virbo. And down here, we have the AI video generator and the list of great tools that will make your life easier no matter the niche you're into or if it's short or long form content you're creating. My favorite and most useful tools are the talking photo, the video translator, which helps you reach a wider audience by translating your video, including lip sync to other languages. Lastly, I will go into the text-to-speech and the voice cloning tool to share some ideas. Let's start with the AI video generator. Here you can turn your images into video or simply write a text and generate a video based on your description. These are great ways to create B-roll footage for your videos. I don't know if you've seen the viral AI videos of people kissing and hugging each other. This is how you can make your own, and it's a simple method to stick out and reach a lot of viewers. I have also seen people on Fiverr charge $10 to $20 for videos like this. So that's a really easy way to get yourself out there and start creating some gigs. Speaking of easy to use tools, we have the legendary talking photo. This is a powerful and simple way of creating engaging vertical and short videos for social media platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. If you learn to create engaging stories or courses with talking avatars, you can enrich your content and adapt it for different niches and ads. It's all about being creative, or at least try to. Here is my attempt.
There once was a really good YouTube channel. It started with the word snowball and ended with AI. Yeah, you should subscribe to that one.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can come up with better use cases, but still, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let me show you how to create your own videos. Up here where it says input text, I write what I want the character in my video to say. So usually you have a few other options, but that's it. However, in Virbo, you have much more control. Maybe not the most important one out of the bunch, but we have the AI script, which can help you rewrite, correct, and change the tone of your scripts based on your instructions. You can also add a background music based on the mood of the video you're trying to create. The most useful option, in my opinion, is the pause feature. This is a secret trick to make your AI voiceover more lifelike. Try reading the script you've written and notice where there is pauses. Make sure to read it somewhat similarly to how you want it to be spoken by the character. Now notice there is natural pauses in between some of the words and sentences. Based on that, I'll add a few pauses and pick the duration. Remember that you do not have to add pauses. This only gives you extra control. Here is the same video without the pauses.
There once was a really good YouTube channel. It started with the word snowball and ended with AI. Yeah, you should subscribe to that one.
As you saw, it's pretty good, and the AI voice has added its own pauses, which I think in the first part of the sentence was even better than the pauses I added myself. Now, to make it even better, we can create our own characters. We can upload an image or describe a character and have the AI generate one for us inside Virbo. I will use this image of this character wearing a headphone and a white shirt in the style of 3D Pixar. Let's do the same thing as before, adding the script, then adding the background music. For this video, I changed the AI voice actor and added some AI videos in between of a man and a parrot.
Let me tell you a story about a man and a parrot. This story has no twist in it. It lacks drama, and I couldn't care less about their background. This story is about simple love and friendship, only the good parts. Because in the end, it is all just a memory.
I like the results, however, adding sound effects will make it even better. If you want to learn to create AI stories with consistent characters, I have a few videos on that on my channel. You can check them out in the description below. Now, what makes this platform unique is the video translation. Once you've created a good video, you can very easily translate it to other languages and reach a wider audience. Here is a fact: 75% of the world's population do not speak English. The big creators know that, and that's why they translate and dub their videos into other languages and have multiple channels for that. Here is the same video translated to Italian. Notice how good the lip sync is.
Lasciate che vi racconti una storia su un uomo e un pappagallo. Questa storia non ha colpi di scena, manca di dramma e non mi importa nulla del loro passato. Questa storia parla di un amore semplice e di amicizia. Solo le parti belle, perché alla fine è tutto solo un ricordo.
Let me show you how easy it is to translate your video. Once inside the video translator page, just upload your video. I will go with the first one we created. Simply select the original language, and where it says target language, pick the language you desire, and within a few minutes, your video will be ready. They have the most spoken languages and more. Make sure you activate the lip sync to let the AI adjust the lip and mouth movements of your character. Here is the video translated to Spanish.
Había un canal de YouTube bastante bueno. Comenzaba con la palabra snowball y concluía con AI. Sí, suscribirte sería ideal.
And this is in Arabic.
كانت هناك قناة يوتيوب ممتازة. انطلقت من موضوع كرة الثلج ووصلت إلى الذكاء الاصطناعي. بالطبع، ينبغي عليك الانضمام إليها.
You can also use your own voice by recording and then uploading it. Another cool trick is the voice cloning. Here you can upload the same audio file and train an AI model of your own voice. Now, instead of recording, you can simply write a sentence or speech and turn it into an audio in your voice. I trained a model and gave it a 60-second recording of me reading a text. Tell me in the comments if you think it sounded similar.
Let's learn the alphabet. You start with the letter A and end with Z. There you go.
These templates are great for creating online courses or YouTube videos. You can easily create a presentation or a simple advertisement in a few seconds using one of their tools. I want to share this e-commerce example here, where I pick a product from my online store. I'll go with this one, it's finger puppets. I only need to copy the URL address of this product and paste it inside this box here. Next, I'll just copy and paste some of the text from our product page. Make sure the text is either describing the product or speaking of its advantages to get the best results. As you see here, it has already scraped the images from the page. Lastly, we'll just pick if the video is going to be horizontal or vertical, its duration, and the language. I also chose to include both the AI avatar and the voiceover. Now let's see what we got.
Imagine turning every ordinary playtime into extraordinary adventures that spark creativity and learning. With our delightful finger puppets, you can enhance storytelling and watch imaginations take flight. Every giggle and grin will create unforgettable moments that bind families closer through play.
Alright, if you want to learn more about AI and real practical use cases, make sure you subscribe to this channel and check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you soon.